This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not meant to be a substitute for a consultation with an immigration attorney. How does President Trump's executive order affect immigration cases including fiance visas and green cards? That is what this video is all about. President Trump issued an executive order on April 22nd to temporarily suspend the issuance of new green cards to certain types of immigrants due to COVID-19 and to protect the jobs of American citizens. The executive order will affect people outside of the United States seeking to legally obtain green cards to live in the United States. Here is a big point. It will not apply to those who are already in the United States. It will also not apply to essential workers, including healthcare professionals, spouses and children of U.S. citizens, any member of the U.S. Armed Forces and their spouses and children, EB-5 investors, immigrants deemed necessary to assist law enforcement and special immigrant visas. It will also not affect the issuance of non-immigrant visas, and finally, it will not affect fiance visas. It will apply, however, to parents of U.S. citizens, adult children of U.S. citizens, and brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens. In addition, lawful permanent residents will not be able to have green cards issued for their spouses and children who are out of the United States. Also, employment-based green cards, except to healthcare workers overseas, will not be issued. Finally, the diversity visa lottery is also frozen. If you are considering filing an immigration case for someone who is affected by the executive order, I would recommend that you still file the case. These cases should still be processed by USCIS. The case, though, may be stalled at the end of the process as the executive order does not allow these green cards to be issued currently. Fiance visa cases will be delayed, but not because of this executive order. The embassies and consulates are currently not doing interviews. Fiance visa cases go through 3 stages: the USCIS stage, the National Visa Center stage, and the embassy or consulate stage. Currently, the embassies are closed and are not doing interviews. They have not been doing them since late March. This means that cases which were filed roughly in the late summer or the fall of 2019 are the ones that are most likely to be delayed. These cases had made it through the first 2 stages, but unfortunately are delayed from making it through the 3rd stage. Hopefully, USCIS will start having consular interviews in June, and these cases can start finalizing soon thereafter. The executive order is supposed to be in effect for 60 days, at which time it will be reevaluated and potentially extended. We expect, barring a court injunction, that the president will extend the executive order. This executive order will then become an issue in the next presidential election. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. We handle immigration cases worldwide. If you have an immigration question, please feel free to email us at attorneygruner@gmail.com or call us at 888-801-6558. Law Offices of Lawrence Gruner, Incorporated.